really
Not even on my Instagram.
Bow
Yeah,
chicka
but
wow
still.
wow.
That's not even my Instagram.
Casual food every night. Let's go
That's not
to
even
Chick-fil-A.
my
No,
Instagram.
you guys probably don't even go to Chick-fil-A. He goes to Clover's
Chick-fil-A
and
is
come and go.
disgusting.
I had to do
Oh,
that.
only for you.
Oh, it's okay.
No, you guys
I
go
have a
to
friend that
Clover's.
works there, okay?
Oh, I
Let's
think it's
look
kind of
19.
good.
Who?
My friend works at Chick-fil-A.
What
I
friend?
Get free
Eli?
food.
Eli works at Chick-fil-A?
Her, okay?
I'm just
Colton knows
making
my
it bigger.
friend.
Don't do that. It gets all
Is
over
that-
me.
Austin knows my friends.
Colton.
Austin knows my friends.
What's his name? Starts
I
with an
have
M.
2 friends.
Too.
Martha.
No, what's that girl with the big afro that you used to date?
Laura.
Laura Proctor.
How
Oh,
does he know people?
Third
exactly.
grade.
You're so fucking annoying.
That's elementary school.
Laura!
Hey, shut your fucking mouth up before I come over there and bop it.
Bop it. Make it
That's a
nasty.
That's a song.
Oh, that's a normal
Brittany,
hot.
Oh, it's getting big. That's part of the wagon.
This is a normal.
We should just destroy.
No, that's a normal. No, no.
Normal hot dog for them.
It's getting really warm.
Normal.